Consider GraphQL, a query language for your API, and a runtime for executing those queries by using a type system you define for your data. Unlike other API standards that require overfetching or underfetching data, GraphQL allows clients to request exactly what they need, nothing more, nothing less. First things first, ensure Node.js is up and running on your machine. This JavaScript runtime is the backbone of many server-side applications, including those built with Apollo-server, a popular GraphQL server. Begin by visiting the official Node.js website to download and install the correct version for your operating system, be it Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type followed by to confirm the successful installation of both Node.js and npm, the package manager. Now, create a new directory for your project. Open your terminal and type followed by. Initialize a Node.js project within this directory by typing. This command automatically creates a package.json file, organizing your project's dependencies and scripts. Next, install Apollo server alongside GraphQL. Execute in your terminal. This command fetches and installs these crucial packages, setting the stage for your GraphQL server. On to defining your GraphQL schema, create a file named schema.js. Utilize the GraphQL schema definition language to define your types. Here's a snippet. This schema includes a simple query type with a single field, which returns a string. Now, implement the resolvers in a file named resolvers.js. Resolvers are functions that resolve data for your schema's fields. Here's how you could define a resolver for the field. With the schema and resolvers in place, set up the Apollo server. Create a file named index.js and integrate Apollo server with the schema and resolvers. Running this script starts your server and prints the URL where it's accessible. To launch your GraphQL server, simply run. Navigate to the URL provided in your terminal. Typically, here you'll find the Apollo server landing page and a link to the GraphQL playground where you can execute queries against your new API. In summary, you've installed Node.js and npm, set up a new Node.js project, installed Apollo server and GraphQL, defined a simple GraphQL schema and resolver, and started your GraphQL server. From this foundation, you can expand your schema, add more resolvers, and further develop your GraphQL API to meet your needs. This approach not only streamlines the development process, but also enhances the flexibility and efficiency of data retrieval for client applications. With Apollo server and GraphQL, the future of API development is in your hands. Happy coding!